Hi, I am Suraj Sagar Singh and I have been associated with this company since last 2 years, and it has been a wonderful journey working in Chetu, and I am very happy. And Chetu always mention a keyword, that is PPF, personal, professional and financial. The personal things, the Chetu provides many benefits, foods, cab safety and services, and health checkups and other things which can take care of Chetu employees. Professional, Chetu provides a skill center where employees can enhance their skills. Chetu provides bi-weekly trainings to enhance the employees' skills as well. And in financial terms, there are a few companies in India who provides 6-monthly incremental policy, and the best part is Chetu is one of them. So I am very happy to be a part of Chetu.